Hey everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make Greek Skordalia. Basically, this is a potato and garlic dip. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 5 medium-sized potatoes. So first thing we need to do is peel these. Alright, so we'll put the potatoes into a pot and move on to our stove. So we're just going to add cold water to our potatoes, just until it's covering the top. And turn the heat on, and we want to bring this up to the boil. Alright guys, so once it reaches the boil, we're just going to turn the heat down to medium. We just want to gently boil these for about 30 minutes until they're nice and tender. Alright guys, so we're at the half an hour mark now. So let's just check with a knife. It should go through nicely. Beautiful. So what we're going to do is turn the heat up. And I'm also going to take half a cup of the water. And we'll just strain our potatoes. Alright guys, so just into a food processor, we're going to add 5 peeled garlic cloves. We're going to add the boiling water we just took out from the pot. And we'll add 1 tablespoon of salt. And we'll add about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And we're just going to process this until the garlic has crushed and is fine. So make sure you scrape the sides because we want this to be very fine. We don't want any chunks in there. So what we're going to do next is add our potatoes in. So you want to do this while the potatoes are still hot. Now you can chop it up into smaller pieces if you want, but I feel the processor does that job for us. So we want to process this until it's pretty much turned into mashed potato. Okay, so that's looking very nice now. So I've just got half a cup of olive oil here. So what we're going to do is gradually add this in while we're still mixing on a low speed. So it's a bit like making mayonnaise or tum. So we'll turn it on a low speed. Very slowly add the oil in. Just like that. Alright. Just look at that. You should be left with a nice smooth sauce just like that. With a very fluffy texture. So let's go ahead and serve. Alright, just look at that. Look how smooth it looks. Let's finish this off with some fresh parsley. Beautiful. So guys, this goes very well as just an appetizer served with some fresh bread. Or of course pita bread. But it is of course a side dish as well to go with souvlaki for example. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.